You will understand that it's just only. Are you wipe those tears from your eyes? I'm all alone, still you thought I was. Are you satisfied? No one's with me tonight. Only Jah, and He's always by my side. No man, don't do that. Come back with the same rhythm. Lion, come give me a piece for that track, yeah. Lion, come give me a piece for that track, yeah. Rastafari, see? Yeah.
Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, Jah! Mighty, Arima, big up. The whole place, nice. Yeah, man, the nicest vibes in the whole place. Yeah, the whole of Trinidad. Yo, the vibes, yeah. Do that, big up yourself, you know. Selassie, mighty, and thunder, you know. A brother from Sin. And I know, years now. Yeah, when I tell them, say, want kill Rasta, but them can't kill Rasta. Want kill Rasta, you never kill Rasta. Want kill, but them can't kill Rasta. Come carry lion and the time of Judah. Want kill Rasta, can't kill Rasta. Want kill Rasta, but them can't kill Rasta. Want kill, but them can't kill Rasta. Emperor Selassie and God Queen Makeda. Allow out of power, but he land go come and a beat it up for me. Such a bingy and a bingy food all a cook for me. Rich up on the flat bad man want fire shot for me. Sister we got teeth and them want bones close to me. Tell them loud that a they'll think Selassie I for me. Wake up in the morning and you better see a prayer for me. Sun, moon and star, we all a fall for me. Truth and right me tell the youth say don't fight for we. Love your one another, come together and do right for me. Make you up your calling them so you be there for me. Fun down queer for me. When the eagle turns in your corner, they there for me. Want kill Rasta, but they can't kill Rasta. Want kill Rasta, could never kill Rasta. Want kill, but they can't kill Rasta. Come back with a yan and be tribe of Judah.
If we do wrong, they complain. Even if we call the fathers, they miss to say what they want lying hard to do. Don't they know this is nothing new? Why won't they do what they want? Let me do my thing, you should be thankful. The lights of both policies shining. Shine.
I want to tell them, say, 1,000 pound and herb, I want me got up in the Marriott. See me in a turban and me khaki and me hat. When me touch the city, well, we fix up that. If Babylon not come, well, we have to get flat. Some of them 16 and some of them Glock, but me slip right past them and reach all me spot. After that, we count money non-stop. So much money full of barrel and a box. Yo. The more my bun the weed, the smaller the spliff tail get. But do no fret, me bun the chalice yet. Me turn to the east and step like when me select. The wicked man run out of breath. Me get your white shirt red and wet. Like a paint job where you regret. Technology at its best. Yo.
One thing, clean that mic here.
Yeah. I mean, like as I say, technology, the bike, back shit, done. Analog. Yeah, man. What I say? I'm so hurt. Because I put down some weed and I can't find where I put it down. I'm so hurt. And then I search and I search and I... Big up my Sasha. Yeah, man. The whole Arima, you don't know. Bless up.
Squeeze that one for the people inside. You don't know. This is the foundation. I continue with him in the house of the Most High. Jah Rastafari. Yes. Listen to tune now. First Rastafari tune this. Jah bless the people. Jah bless the people. Oh God. Don't you know that Jah wanna be more than just a friend? Knowing Jah is mine, He dwells within my mind. God's love is fine, it's in blessings on the wine. Rima just saying you love Jah, He'll be on your side. People just say Jah people, everything would be alright. Over there at Chanders, they're suffering in spite. People using guns just to take another life. Yeah. Frustration and anger is the people's cry. So people come together and all unite. Come together, whether black or white, yeah. Come together and shine Judge's light. People just saying you love Jah, he'll be on your side. You know what, one? Now for them get rich and switch, I and I never get swear-headed yet. Now for them get rich and switch, last time I never get swear-headed. Naturalistic, now with you there. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. This might be the first trumpet, might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer, many more will have to die. They'll ask Rima why. Ask Rima why.
Rima tell them, say love is what we have to give, that's why we live. Love is what we have to give, that's why we live. I Selassie, I big up Richie Lion, big up yourself. Blessed earth strong, you see it? Yeah man, and many more. Yeah. Loving at the house. His name, love is what we have to give, that's why we live. Love is what we have to give, that's why we live. That's what we have to give, that's why we live. Think positive and burn negative. Love is what we have to give, that's why we live. Have to give, that's why we live. Love is what we have to give, that's why we live. That's why we live. That's why we live. Because them seek it first, the kingdom of Jah, and each and everything shall be added after. See the wicked man them that try kill Rasta, but he love in a way make the Ras prosper. Hey, Bill King Selassie bless Queen Makeda. Them young to youths well we must prosper. Under the roots, reality and culture, half Shiloh, man a Rasta. That what your name, love is what we have to give, that's why we live. Love is what we have to give, that's why we live. Love is what we have to give, that's why we live. Think positive and fun negative. Love is what we have to give, that's why we live. Love is what we have, black loyalty. Love is what we have to give, that's why we live. Think positive and fun. Yo, come in. Sun, moon and star. Anywhere we go, we have the hill of Jah. Sun, moon and star. Cause anywhere we go, we have the hill of Jah.
Trying to help where I fish out of Jah. Reach a Trinidad, we have the hill of Jah. Now we reach a John one, we have fish out of Jah. Emperor Selassie and Queen, okay. Rastaman the chant and the whole place a bus. Emperor Selassie, yes, he come first. Rastaman, where you say my brother boy, come sing something for the people, you know. Where you say you feel it, you feel it, you feel it.